guys, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to start this vlog here. We are actually moving out of our bungalow today. I know you guys, it's so sad. We just bought this house a year ago, but we are moving. We're gonna rent it out. So right now we have majority of everything broken down and boxed up. My husband is doing a lot of the moving. Well, he's doing all of the moving by himself because I am 37 weeks today. I feel very pregnant. My legs and pelvic area has just been throbbing, but I've been trying to take it easy and not do any moving and stuff like that. But I've been trying to sweep, like simple things and put stuff in boxes. But then I'm sitting down with my remote. Hey guys, so it is now day 2, morning of day 2. We are finishing up putting everything in the truck. We were supposed to leave at 5 this morning, and then we decided last night that that wasn't gonna work because we were up till 1 o'clock in the morning. So we said we were gonna try to leave by 10. It is 8 something, 9, almost 9. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we accomplished. I went out and got some Dunkin' this morning and coffee, and I went to Starbucks and got me a guava tea. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's super good. I just started drinking that one. I want to do one last walkthrough of our first home that we bought together, just for memory's sake, just for documentation purposes. But I want to show you guys. All right, so this was the entryway. This was the spare bedroom that we were using for storage because we didn't have any garage or any type of storage. It was crazy. This is the living area. We're gonna come back to couches. We're actually buying new couches, obvious reasons. Couches are crazy now. They've been with us for so long, and we did attempt to get them clean, but anyways, this was the living room area, and it was very small. We had this beautiful bookshelf, which I love decorating. But this was the view from right here. Very cozy. We had my daughter's room, Carson's room, my oldest daughter. This was her room. And this small hallway. This was the bathroom. So this was the bathroom floor. I tried to do a DIY and then the floor caved in. So we actually have to get that fixed before the renters get in here. But this was the bathroom. Had nice touches, but no storage at all. This was our bedroom. We took the smallest room because we wanted our rooms to be closer to the front of the house, and that's what we did. We got to get this curtain. He cannot leave that here. I want him to get this too because I'm gonna put that in my new house, or whatever. But this was our bedroom. It faced the street, and it was the smallest room other than besides the other spare room. It was the smallest room. So we came back here. This is the living room, and then we had the hallway leading up to my daughter's shed room. Okay, you're coming out the girls' room. This is the back door. We had our laundry back there. Super scary. That's our laundry room. We never really used it because our laundry was out of commission for a while. But anyways, this is the kitchen that my husband and I DIY'd. You can look at that video if you hadn't seen it, but we painted these cabinets and all that. We had bigger plans. We still do have plans for this house. We're gonna renovate it slowly, but this is our starter home fixer-upper that we bought, and we started on the kitchen, but we didn't do the countertops. We were gonna do new sink and all that, but we will do it. It's just not like right now, obviously. This was the dining area. We did paint everything in here as well. Floors were so bad, guys. The floors were horrible. They never stayed clean. I just try to clean them up now, but they were horrible. But anyways, this was our little kitchen, and I'm so proud of the work that we did in here. And yeah, so that leads us back to the living area. And we just did a full circle around the house, and that's the moving truck. My husband left the curtain, so we have to get that. This entryway was the worst because if you could see, it tracked so much. It was so hard to keep this clean. We will have to literally gut this out. I don't know what we're gonna do in the future, but we're gonna have to like really strip this to make it functional for if we were to sell this house. But this is our house. We're gonna rent it out and try to keep it in our family for as long as possible. This man did all the work. So good, so good. But anyways, we're loading up and I gotta get him to get these curtains. So we just got on the road. We're getting gas and got Jada with me. She's gonna be riding with me. She's about to go into the other car. Like, I don't know if I'm be able to handle her. She already working my nerves. So she already working my nerves, so I don't know. But we gotta get them something to drink. And what else am I doing? Getting gas, and that's it. So I don't know how many updates I'll be updating, because I am driving, so I don't know how many updates I'm going to be updating until we probably just update when we stop again. And I'm feeling good, no issues. You know, I'm feeling good, so we'll see how it goes. Ooh. Go ahead, Jay. Go ahead. First stop. Potty break and food break. Oh Lord, don't tear these people's stuff up. Whew. I'm tired. Hey guys, so we have made it. Oh my goodness, it took way longer than I thought it was gonna take. We were in traffic. There was a huge wreck on I-10, like an hour delay. It was like an hour delay. I gotta use the restroom. I'm hungry, so I wanted to show you guys really quick before it get dark. Empty house tour. I haven't seen this house either, so I'm gonna walk through it first, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the inside. Jada's asleep. She's been asleep for a while. The whole, basically, since we've been in traffic, and that was like 3 hours ago. So yeah, my husband, he's about an hour behind us, because first of all, he's driving a U-Haul. It's gonna take longer, and then we were in that traffic, and then they had to stop and get gas twice. And so I didn't have to fill up at all. I'm almost on E now, but I didn't have to stop and fill up. And yeah, let me stop talking, let me go in, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. I need to stretch. All right guys, so I'm gonna try to do this really quick. So you come up here and enter into the hallway entryway. There's a bedroom here, there's a bedroom here, and here's another bedroom. This is right off the hallway entryway to the door. So that's Jada. She's going to use the restroom. I had some tissue in the car. But you walk in here, there's towel on the floor. This is the kitchen. Just a standard kitchen. I am so happy for this appliance, to have it back in my life. 1 year without a dishwasher. It's been crazy. But let me spin it around here real quick before we... Okay, so this is the hallway. And then you go in here to the kitchen, living room, dining combo. And then over here is the bathroom. She's in the bathroom, so I'm gonna wait till she finishes. This is the laundry room. I thought it came with washer and dryer. So I'm gonna call them tomorrow to figure out where it's at, because it was part of the plan to have a washer and dryer in here already. This is the garage, leads to the one-car garage. This is the half bath, not half bath. This is the guest bathroom, or the hallway bathroom where the kids would use, which is standard. And then you come out here. This is the kitchen again. Got the window by the sink, which I love. White appliances. Look like they're in good shape. I don't know, but yeah, looks okay. I mean, as good as you can get. Cabinets look freshly new. They don't look old or anything like that. Countertops is really, really big. And here is the carpet and all that. So this is the dining area. I don't like that it has carpet and like it shares this space, but we'll work it out. I'm gonna be putting a rug here, and the carpet is clean and fresh. It smells so good in here, guys. So this is the master bedroom, which is a good size space, way bigger than what we had. And we're gonna be sharing it with a baby, so we needed to be bigger. Plenty of light, and this huge bathroom, in my opinion, because if you saw our other house, you saw that bathroom is really, really tiny. But this has the double sinks. It has this huge closet over here, and then this is a linen closet. And that's me, 37 weeks preggo and tired.
It's kind of slippery.
I am tired, but we're gonna get it done. And so yeah, this is the master bedroom right out here from the kitchen living room area. And then we have the back door, which has this huge patio in the back area. We have neighbors, and then there's nobody on this side, just a fence. Oh, there's a house over there, but there's a fence right there. And then it has a back fence, which they told me they didn't have a back fence, which I'm glad they do now. There's a highway right there. But anyways, it's a huge back patio.
Where's your neighbor?
Get over here, Jada. So that's it, guys. This is a rental house tour. I'm going to be decorating this space, boho all over. Can't wait to show you guys everything. Guys, so that's gonna be it for this vlog. I know it's kind of all over the place, driving from Jacksonville, Florida to Pensacola, Florida. I'm exhausted. I gotta get some food in my system. I gotta use the restroom. I got so much to do, and I'm waiting on my husband to get here. So I think I'm just gonna wait on him to get here so he can go take me to get something to eat, because we're in the docks. This was our first time seeing this house, other than the pictures and like the 3D virtual walkthrough and all that. This was our first time actually stepping foot in the house, and so far I love it. I don't feel anything that's like negative besides the washer and dryer. So yes, sorry, my husband just called me. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys so many different rental hacks and tips on how to create a space just as bland. I mean, this is a bland space, this is bare, but it's simple, and I like simple, and it feels really clean in here. So I'm excited about decorating and getting baby Levi on these carpets, crawling around. They're brand new carpets, brand new like paint job and everything. So has vaulted ceilings as well.